Hi, Hawks. I was thinking today about how happy I will be when we're all back here at school, recess out on the blacktop, assemblies in the multipurpose room, field trips, and pledge on the blacktop. And it's going to be so great. Anyway, in today's story, our main character learns about staying neat and organized. And this is a skill that definitely takes some time and energy to really master. But the younger you are when you start, the better, because it is a skill that will honestly serve you for the rest of your life. So here we go. Here is our story. It's called Cammy Kangaroo Has Too Much Stuff, and it's written by Stacy C. Bauer, illustrated by Rebecca Sinclair. Cammy Kangaroo has too much stuff. It was lunchtime at the kangaroo house. Taking another bite of her salad, Cammy thought about how much fun she was going to have at her cousin Savannah's party later that day. Your room needs to be cleaned before we head to Savannah's party, Cammy, Daddy Kangaroo reminded her. Okay, Cammy sighed. She was not excited to clean her room. Cammy's room was full of treasures. Rocks, shells, feathers, toys. Cammy loved them all. She loved collecting them, sorting them, and building with them. Cammy peeked inside her pouch. She pulled out a brown button that had fallen off her sweater, a copper coin from Daddy, and a chipped blue block she had found in the yard. Cammy said. What should I make with these? Her mind overflowed with ideas. How's it going, Cammy? Mommy called up the stairs. Is your room clean yet? We have to leave at 1 o'clock if we're going to be on time for the party. Cammy groaned and started cleaning. Ding, ding, ding. What could that be? My favorite bell. Cammy put the bell inside her pouch and slowly continued cleaning. Suddenly she gasped. Savannah had asked her to give back her stuffed puppy. She had to find it. She picked up the bucket of shells. Maybe Savannah's puppy was in there. Cammy dumped the shells out. Nope. But she did find two pretty pink shells that were quickly added to her pouch. Maybe the puppy was in the closet. Cammy tugged at the door, but it didn't budge. Taking a deep breath, Cammy yanked on it as hard as she could. Uh-oh. Ugh, she groaned. Oof. She kicked out her legs and clambered to her feet. I have to clean my room and find that puppy, she thought with a frown. As she hopped toward a pile of blankets, Cammy heard a muffled giggle coming from beneath it. She began digging. Suddenly, her brother popped out. Wyatt! Cammy exclaimed, pulling him from the heap of blankets. Cammy was showing Wyatt some of her favorite rocks when she heard the door open. She quickly slipped the rocks into her pouch. It's time to go. Daddy shoved the door open and hopped inside. He looked around the room with a frown. Cammy, your room is even messier than before. I know, but Daddy, I've lost Savannah's puppy, Cammy cried. Well, what do you think we could do to find it quickly so we're not late to the party? Daddy asked. Clean my room? Cammy replied, feeling badly that she hadn't done it already. Cleaning your room can be overwhelming, Daddy said. Let's do one thing at a time. Together, Cammy and Daddy made her bed and put her hair bows into a dresser drawer. Wyatt put Cammie's books on the bookshelf and her dolls in their bin. As Cammie was putting feathers into a little bowl on her desk, she spied something sticking out of a drawer. "Look what I found," she said triumphantly. "Whew, you must be so happy," Daddy smiled. "I don't like losing things," Cammie admitted, "especially when they belong to someone else. Keeping my room clean will help me keep track of things." Cammie was proud. She had found Savannah's puppy and her room was finally clean. "Is everyone ready to go? We're going to be late," Mommy called. "Yes, I cleaned my room and found Savannah's puppy." Cammie stopped and rummaged around inside of her pouch to show Mommy. "Oh no!" She began to empty her pouch onto the yard. "Not again," she cried. "I don't want to miss the party." "Didn't you just have it?" Daddy asked. Cammie felt around inside her pouch again. "Got it!" she exclaimed with relief. "Great, let's go," Mommy said. As they hopped to the car, Daddy tripped over some tools in the garage. Cammie chuckled. "Daddy, maybe both of us need to keep our things more organized." "You're right about that, Cammie," Daddy Kangaroo laughed. "I think it's safe to say this whole family has too much stuff," Mommy said. "Tomorrow we'll spend some time organizing. Now let's get to that party." And that is the end of our story. So I hope you liked that one. I think it's a good reminder for all of us to keep our things neat and organized so that we can find everything. And I hope you have a wonderful evening tonight, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.